Hello, welcome back to the channel everyone. Today I am doing a quick look and unboxing of the Ulanzi DR-01 strobe light lighting. It is a anti-collision and night navigation light specially designed for drones. You can mount this on any type of drone. It does have 3 different light modes, which you can see here, and I'll be showing to you in a minute. Supposedly it is visible from 3 Statu miles on a clear night, of course. It does meet all FAA guidelines for drone anti-collision lighting. It weighs about 14 grams, I believe, and it has a continuous operation of 20 hours, so it lasts 20 hours. I don't know, I cannot confirm that until I put that to the test, but that's what it says. It is water resistant, and yeah, let's open it up and see what we have. Something like that. Alright, here you have the Ulanzi manual, a quick introduction to the product. You have your USB cable, Type C, which you connect directly onto the light here. You just open up this little tab here and connect it right there. You'll see a blue light, steady on, which means that it's charging. Once it's fully charged, it turns off. You have 2 extra Velcro pads, which you can place on to the drone, and then the light goes on top. Alright, so quickly let's take a quick look at this. You have the other, on the bottom of the light you have the Velcro pad, which would go on top like that, and you have your button to turn it on, which I'll do right now. You just press it, leave your hand on it for 2 seconds, and that's one function, one light function. We have it on the green. If you press it again, it has a different the second light function, and now we're going to the white, and you just keep on clicking it and you'll see the different light modes. Okay, so that's the last mode. So basically there's 3 modes: the steady on, the second one is the slow blink, the fast blink, and then the slow blink. You leave it for 2 seconds again and it automatically turns off. As you see from the footage that I did in the dark, you can see how it's very bright, and you can probably see this pretty much from 2 to 3 miles away. Also, you can see how I placed it on top of the drone and how nice it looks, and the 3 lighting modes. So yeah, it's very affordable. It doesn't cost that much. You can find it online. I'll leave the link below so you can check it out, and if you guys are interested in buying it, you can do that. It's the cheapest light that's on the market in terms of these strobe lights. There's others that cost you, I don't know, 60, 70, 80 bucks. And those are the CREE ones. They cost more because they're better quality. But this is an alternative, low cost, and it's pretty good. Yeah, that's all I have for you guys. So thanks again for watching this video, and for those who have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. Alright, see you on the next one, guys. Bye.